Next, we're getting ready to remove the spark plugs. Use a spark plug socket, an extension, and a ratchet. Insert it. And we get. Once the spark plug is loose, you can just go ahead and just twist it by hand like that. Now we have loosened the spark plugs completely. The next thing you need to do is use a magnetic pickup tool to pull out the spark plug. If you do not have a magnetic pickup tool, a trick that you can use is, I'll show you in a second. Let's assume the spark plug is down there and you don't have a magnetic pickup tool like that. So what you can use is just put some tape on your spark plug socket and make sure you just put it inside in here. This is the most important part. And then down here we want to make sure that it's locked so it doesn't come off and fall inside the engine. And then what you do is just insert it, just push it hard a little bit and just remove the spark plug like so.